Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock Snowman Logistics. This is a stock which is suggested by our subscriber to make analysis, and the stock also has good trading opportunity right now. So now let's move to the analysis part. The stock listed at the price of 75 and was on the range between the range of 110 to 70. This range continued for more than 2 years, and the stock shown weakness here at the February 2016. The stock broke the major resistance line here, and the stock took the retracement and it started falling once again, and at the COVID fall drastically and took a bottom here, and from the bottom it bombarded to the higher prices. Now let me draw the major confluence area in the stock. This can be considered as the major confluence area, which is almost always this area is taken as the most confluence area because the stock has reacted to this same level thrice, and now currently that price once again reacted at the same price, and the stock after hitting the resistance level fell down drastically. Now let me move to the weekly chart to analyze further. Before analyzing the weekly chart, make sure you subscribe to our channel so that you will get the instant notifications of the video published, and if you like the video, hit like button. That will encourage us to make more videos on daily basis, and feel free to comment below and suggest some stocks to see the analysis on our style. Now let's move to the weekly chart. In this weekly chart, look at the candle here. The candle is very huge and it made a good move here, and once it hit the resistance level, the stock tried many times to hit the resistance and passed behind the resistance level, but actually the stock failed to move up the resistance level. So the stock once again came back to the same down levels, but the stock now shows a small bullishness. Let me analyze the stock on daily basis to know the price entry and target for the stock. In the stock is currently traded near the resistance zone, major resistance zone. So it's good to take entry once the stock broke the resistance zone. Look at the chart here. The stock actually maintains the resistance very impactfully, and look at the resistance found here. More than 5 times the stock hit the resistance, but psychologically right now the stock is making a higher moves. Higher moves is good for going long, and look at here, the stock is actually made a serious downfall after hitting the resistance, but once the stock reached the level of 46, which is almost a previous resistance level, it now acted as the support level here. This is the major resistance level acted before, but now it become the major support level for the stock. So this support level was very hard to break. The stock also gained the momentum right now and forming a good pattern of higher highs and higher lows. So it's good to go long in this stock. This stock actually hit 5 times resistance here, and if the stock broke this resistance level, then the stock may move 15% upside from the current market price. From the entry price is at 57 range and target is at 65 range, which is almost 15% upside from the current market price. If the stock broke the resistance line on upper side, then the stock may move till the range of 65, which is almost 15% upside from the current market price. One can take the second target using double EMA level. Double EMA of 21-day moving average can be used for taking trailing stop losses for the stock. And that's all for today. If you like the video, hit like button and subscribe to our channel so that we will make new videos. And if you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching our videos. Thank you.